Hello and you are welcome back to my channel. I believe you are doing great. So it's your girl Miss Ruth as usual. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and let's keep winning together. Today we are making dzowey. So I'm using powdered cloves, powdered ginger, powdered chili, cornmeal, granite paste, and powdered sugar. So I'll be adding all my spices to my cornmeal and then give it a thorough mix and add my sugar as well, and the sugar should be to your taste please, and the spices too, depending on how spicy or hot you want your dzowey to be, you give it the spices based on that. And I'll be giving it a pinch of salt. And how I came about the cornmeal was that I actually roasted the normal white corn flour we use for applying for about 5 minutes on a very low heat in a saucepan. I'll be transferring everything to my granite paste and mix it till it is well mixed. And this place I have to use my hand. So please, when you get to this side, don't forget to wash your hands very well, both hands, because you'll be using both. And because I'm using a runny granite paste, it's not thick, so I don't need to give it water or any oil. But if you are using the thick one, you would have to give it a little water or the oil from the granite paste. So I'll be molding the dzowey into round, smooth balls. This is actually a requested video and I believe it's explanatory enough. But if you have further questions, don't forget to let me know at the comment section and I'll be there to answer. Thank you very much for staying with me till now. This is our dzowey, and until my next upload, the Lord be with you. Bye.